Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane. Get ready to dust off those old memories as we explore some awesome retro useful tech that's still kicking around. So let's dive right in.
Alright guys, so let's start off with the Game Boy Pocket. Now, anyone who remembers this is an all-time great. I think there was a Game Boy Advance or something like that, then a Game Boy Pocket. This thing was just epic. I got this back in, I think, 99 or 2000 or something like this, and let me tell you, hours and hours of playtime was had on this Game Boy Pocket. Although it is, as you can see here, pendant on battery. Obviously the case has obviously just come off there, but it is really old, as you can see. But look at that, Game Boy Pocket, amazing. You can put your headphone in there. I guess that's some sort of reset button or something like that. Yeah, it wasn't any kind of Game Boy, it was just literally kind of black and white. But like I said, it was just hours and hours of fun on this. I don't know what it was, but I think it's just the simplicity of it, which just made it so like enjoyable. Adjust the brightness of this thing, or contrast rather, through there. And I guess this EXT point there, that I guess could be used for like dual battling or something, depending on the game. Obviously the volume. So yeah, hours and hours of fun on this. So let's check out a few of the games quickly. Okay, so I only had like 5 games on this, but it was, again, they were amazing. So literally you get hours and hours of good fun out of this. Wave Race, great racing game actually. One of my favorites, all-time classic. Super Mario Land 2, 6 golden coins. It was actually quite a lot of fun, to be honest. The challenges were difficult. The last one, obviously against Bowser's, really difficult, but if you played these games before, then you know how great these games are. You have to do it with the Pokemon Blue, Pokemon Red, Pokemon Silver. Great games. I've got to be honest, I'm still a fan of the originals. All these new Pokemon games, I haven't really caught up with them, but they are awesome. This was a great game as well. So yeah, hours of fun on these. But guys, do you remember when you could do like the candy cheat on one of these games, and you get like unlimited candy and you can literally battle the gym leaders like a boss? Okay, next up is this, the Bush, don't laugh, CD player. Classic retro, I guess, if you like, music player. Before this, I did have the Walkman, but I can't seem to find it, so this will have to do. This is what we used back in the day. We just bang this open here, just kind of use this thing here, and then kind of put CD in there. It'd actually say at the bottom, Class 1 laser product. What in the actual, oh look at the caution as well. It says invisible laser radiation when open and interlocks defeated. Avoid exposure to beam. Yeah, this was the classic kind of CD player. So if I just put that in there into the headphone jack, just pop that bad boy in there like so. Literally put your CD in, put the headphones in, and enjoy at your leisure. The iPod Touch. This is actually gifted to me in 2010. Yeah, this was a bit of a, I'm just going to cover my name there because it was engraved. It was gifted to me. Oh, you can see me in the shot. Oh, yeah, so this was given to me as a gift. Honestly, went through hours of, look at that, it's scratched up a bit, but I absolutely loved the silver kind of glass at the back. 1111, real simple, and as you can see, all-time classic display. Who remembers this? Actually be worthwhile letting us know in the comment section what kind of media devices that you use. Like this video if you're enjoying it so far. Yeah, so let's just quickly go through the apps here. Classic all-time look at that. There we go. Calendars, classic look there. Look at the YouTube app there. Look at that. Talk about throwback. Games there, Safari video. I think I've got still a bit of music on. Look at that. Now I would play some of these, but yeah, copyright and everything. We have the Samsung Buds. I really like these actually. They were really comfortable. I was thinking about doing a review with them, but I don't know. I just didn't get around to do it. So yeah, these were the earbuds that I got with my S22 Galaxy Ultra, and honestly they lasted me for a good while. I think something happened with the water resistance or something like this. It basically didn't take it as well as I thought it could, and about 2-3 years usage, going to the gym, etc. Yeah, one of the earbuds, just the volume wouldn't work. I tried to troubleshoot it. Honestly, I do like it. I do like the design. It's comfortable into your ear, but they have now changed the design to look a bit more like Apple's earphones. Let me know what you thought of these actually. Alright, so now to the bonus feature, the last segment of this video. But before I go ahead and show you these, would be very much appreciated if you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. Actually, I've got a lot of other videos on there. It would really be appreciated helping small channels out, so please do subscribe. Bit of a bonus feature here, like I said, these are more to do with usefulness in the household. Let's come on to this one first. Now, this is an actual older version of TP-Link's Wi-Fi adapter or booster, if you like. This would help you out in spots around the house where Wi-Fi doesn't actually reach you. Quite simple, you literally need to pair it with the device that is plugged into your router. Put it in a plug socket like so, 3-pin here, and pair it. This should then give you a better Wi-Fi coverage around the house. Now, this is an old version actually. There are a lot more better ones out there that you can get, and much more powerful ones, but if you're on a budget, this is the one for you. And you can also put in Ethernet cables. Again, we're going with a bit of a retro thing here. So this is a timer. This will allow you to plug into a socket, plug a lamp into this bit here. You can set a timer between what times you want the plug to be turned on. So I know this is a bit of a throwback, retro kind of old technology, probably has outrun its usefulness. It has helped us. Now you can probably actually get a Wi-Fi bulb, and that's much more easier, to be honest with you. But if you ever wanted to make your life a little bit more difficult, you can get this.